have Jamie here, the owner of Mythical Candy Factory, and I wanted to ask her 3 questions today. Question number 1 is going to be, can you tell me more about the unique and specialty candies or treats that are exclusive to Mythical Candy?
Yeah, so we make freeze-dried candy, which is like our big name item. Like freeze-dried candy is such a big thing right now that once we saw it like taking off like online, we decided like there's such a market for it, we opened a store.
Oh, okay.
So now we sell freeze-dried candy. And then number 2, like we have TikTok like exclusive candy. So like stuff that's super popular on TikTok is what we carry here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I love that. And my second question is going to be, how do you incorporate TikTok into your business? Could you share some examples of popular or trending TikTok content featuring your store or products?
That's actually a really good question because TikTok was like our catalyst. So we just kind of, throughout the pandemic, we started on TikTok and we were scrolling TikTok. And one day we saw freeze-dried candy and we're like, dude, that's such a cool thing. That's such a good idea. My husband's a first responder, and through the pandemic, like, it's hard. So he wanted to make candy for people to make people happy. And we saw something that could possibly make us money. And we're like, let's go head first. Like, let's do that. So then after starting on TikTok, now we find our products, like our ideas, our stuff from TikTok. And TikTok for us have just completely blown up. So we owe like everything to TikTok right now.
Nice. Yeah, I might have to think about getting on TikTok now that I'm hearing this.
Definitely.
And then my third question is going to be, what are some of the most popular or highly recommended candies that customers discover through your TikTok videos?
So it kind of depends because we send out like promo packages to different like influencers. It depends on what's in that package is like what goes viral that month.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so sometimes like we'll have a bunch of peach rings, so we'll send peach rings out to different people and they'll try them, and then like our sales just explode.
Yeah, those right there.
Yeah, it just absolutely explode. So it kind of depends on like what we have a surplus of like what we send out or what we want to promote that month is like what we send out to people. So basically we go through everything and we take turns on everything that we sell to send it out. Yeah.
Nice. Perfect. Well, I want to say thank you so much, Jamie, for
Thank
telling
you.
us a little bit more about your shop here. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.